everybody. All right, let's give this problem a try. So we're trying to find the centroid of this shape. So if you want the x component of the centroid, it's like this formula. For the y component, this formula. And then we can split up the area into dy dx. So let's maybe attack this in 3 different parts. Let's get the area. So that's the denominator here, right? And then we can get this numerator and then this numerator. So let's try the area first. So area is this one, but then we'll split up area into dy dx. So it's basically just a case of figuring out the limits of integration, right? So in the y direction, we're going from here, let's just call this y1, which the slope is 0, up to here. Let's call this y2. Okay, and then in the x direction, from here, x equal to 0 to over here, x equal to 2. And there we go. And let's give it a try, right? So you integrate dy becomes y from here to here. Then you do this one. I'll work your way out, right? Dx. Okay, so let's substitute that. Okay, and then let's integrate that. From 0 to 2. Okay, and then punch that in the calculator. So that's the denominator, right? These. Now let's give this a try, this numerator. There's just the numerator, right? So let's split up dA into dy dx like this. And then I can just recycle these limits of integration, right? X from 0 to 2. Okay, so then integrate x dy is y from 0 to here. And then evaluate this. Okay, and then keep going. Let's multiply that thing through. Oops. Right, and then let's finish that up. So let's integrate that. From 0 to 2. And then, right, plug that in the calculator. So then you got this, and then just that over that. And that's the answer for the x component of the centroid. Last one, let's try this one here. The numerator for the y component of the centroid. So same, right? We're just going to split up dA into dx dy, and then recycle the limits of integration. Okay, let's integrate this. Y dy is half y squared from here to here. All right, let's evaluate this. So y squared, now we have to square this whole thing, right? So maybe, let me just write it like this. Right, this squared. I'll do it slowly. So when you square it, you can go just like distributive property, this times this whole thing. So let me write that down. Okay, and then this times this whole thing. So let me write that down. And then finally, this times this whole thing. Okay. So that, right, that's this squared, right? Evaluating it here. So a big mess, dx. And, you know, you could simplify it. I guess we could simplify it. Here's x to the fourth. And then we got minus x cubed, so there's two of those. And then x squared, x squared, x squared. So 3 of those. And then what else? Oh, here, minus x, and then the 1. Okay, and then just finish integrating this. Ooh, let's not forget the half. Okay, from 0 to 2, just punch that in the calculator. That's the numerator for the y component of the centroid. Okay, hope that helps. Keep on studying. I'll see you on the next video.